Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cashwise and this is Joseph speaking to you. Guys, today I want to show you on how you can actually turn on or off the AI robots on Mtfe, because I've been facing this question to a lot of people. So my YouTube subscribers, actually a lot of them have been asking about this, because you might find somebody entering at certain time, switching on the AI trade, and it's not on. When you just come back, it finds off. So the first thing to know here that you need to switch it in the morning. Yes, you need to switch it in the morning, and you need to know that the trade takes place from Monday to Friday. So you need to switch it. You can say maybe I can put for you timetable, maybe every Monday in the morning you switch it on. It's when it will start working. And if you switch it in the evening, it won't agree, because at that time is when the trade is taken. Even the manual trader has already taken part at that time. So I'm going to show you on how you can turn on the robot. The first thing, you have to click on the profile down over here, and I'm gonna click it. After clicking the profile, you have to go to this transaction mode over there. So I'm gonna click it, and after clicking it, you will find these three options. Sorry, not this one. You'll find these three options over here, which one is autonomous transaction, another one is AI smart transaction, and another one is contract account. You will see this one, contract account, if you've updated your application. If you haven't updated it, you won't see it, and it's very good to use this. Also, I don't recommend for people without knowledge about crypto and forex. And also, I'll leave a link in the description that will send you to the video that explains about the third option. So I'm going to deal about the AI smart transaction over here. So I'm going to click it so that we can see on how you can turn it on. After I've clicked it, you will see, you will come into this page. So what you do, if you need to put it on, you have to just press this button over here. And take note that if you need this robot to work at this time, make sure you don't have any kind of trade going on within the application. You should be free from trades. So after doing that, you just come and press the button, just like that. After press the button, this will appear and rescue each and everything. Just place here on this X button over here to cancel it, and I will place it. After I pressed it already, the robot will start working and will work for you, and you will trade well according to your investment. So that is what was it for today, guys, and I appreciate everybody. See you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe if it's your first time to subscribe, and if it's your first time, you have never done Mtfe, please go download the application, because it's very cool. It's a very cool application to do some kind of these types of making money online. And I'll leave also the promo code on the description down below, which you will use when registering. And if you don't know how to register, I'll also leave the link which will direct you into my video that shows you on how to register for Mtfe. And also, I would like to thank a lot of people who have been contacting me via my WhatsApp number, of which I'll just leave on the description below, of which people contact me about Mtfe, about Binance, asking me a lot of beautiful questions, and I help them every day, and most of them give me positive reviews that they are really obtaining their money, they are making money. And I tell you guys, I provide some naked truth information on how to make money, because I want to help a lot of people to achieve the financial freedom. By saying so, guys, I don't want to talk too much. Thank you for today, and peace.